Hello, I just want to make this quick video that's, well, as you can see, brought to you from the back of my motorcycle. I'm on the way to work, so I'm gonna make this quick. I don't know if anybody mentioned this yet or not, but I heard about this deal from the Coupon Geek. Check her out, she's pretty cool. Or it's the couponinggeek.com. Anyway, I'm gonna put her link in the description box, check her out. Anyways, here is the deal. In Rite Aid. The deal with Rite Aid is with these Pantenes. They are 2 for $7 this week, and you get a $1 up reward. And there are coupons available to make this basically free. Basically, again, these Pantenes are free. After the coupons, they're 2 for $7, limit 2. So here is what you're gonna do. In Maze PNG, we had these coupons, 2 for $3 of 2 Pantenes. And then last Sunday is the 617 Smart Source. We got these 3 of any 2 Olay, Pantene, and a bunch of other products here. So when you combine the two, and since the Pantenes are 2 for $7, you combine these two coupons, you will take $6 off, and basically you'll pay $1 if you don't have any up rewards. But here is what my receipt looks like. Well, one of my receipts, because as you can see, I did this once, and there is the other bag hanging. Okay, so there is the Pantenes at $3.50. There is 4 of them. I used the 4 coupons, 2 PNGs and 2 Rite Aid coupons. They came from the paper. I gave them 2 up rewards from previous purchase, and as you can see, my balance is 0. And I paid $1.24 tax, and I got back 2 $1 up rewards, which is a sweet deal. And I have a million more coupons. Then I'm gonna go and probably get some more, because these Pantenes are excellent. My wife likes them, everybody likes them, and for free you can't go wrong. And also, I don't know if anybody mentioned this before or not, I found this PNG rebate form. When you spend $50 worth of products, you get $10 back, and it looks like it's on Pantene, Olay, Venus, and stuff like that. And we all know that for the last week, or whatever it is, 2 weeks, we've been getting tons of these Venuses, and in this case it's going to be Pantene, so you'll be able to submit this form when you buy $50 worth. And I'm sure we spend more than $50 on all these things, and yeah, I guess that's pretty much it. So again, I want to give a shout out to the Couponing Geek. Check her out, and as always, say what's up to Jackie, Island Coupon Gal, Priscilla, Pinching Pennies 2011. Check all these people out. I'm gonna put the description. There are links in the description box, as I always do. Check them out, subscribe to them, rate them, and stuff like that. Thank you.